Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Serpent River, a small community in northern Ontario located along the Trans-Canada Highway. This place sits where the Serpent River flows into the north channel of Lake Huron. The area has been home to the Anishinaabe people for thousands of years, with a history deeply tied to the land and waterways. The name Serpent River likely refers to the river's winding, snake-like course through the landscape. In the early 1900s, the area became known for logging and later for its role in the mining industry. Today, it is part of the Serpent River First Nation, which works to preserve its cultural heritage and natural environment.
Thank you very much.
Visitors can enjoy fishing, boating, and exploring the nearby forests and shoreline. The river itself is a striking sight, especially where it winds through rocky landscapes. Whether you're passing through or stopping to take in the views, Serpent River is a place where history, culture, and nature come together. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Serpent River, Ontario. Thanks for watching.